Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is the last video on the Fz07, man. She just got sold. I'm driving it to my buddy's house. He bought it off of me. I would say, in my opinion, he got this bike for a steal. I've never dropped, well, me personally, never dropped this bike. I've replaced everything with OEM parts that I wanted OEM parts. Replaced batteries, tires. I've had service done on it every so many miles. This bike was well maintained and garage kept for a very long time. And it's sad to see her go, man. That's the last ride with her. She was a good bike, you know. She was a good bike. But now I'm passing it off to my buddy. Hopefully, I think he'll take good care of it. It's gonna be his first bike. But this was my first bike, and I did great on it. And I liked it. So I know he's gonna like it. Gotta pull over so I can check my GPS. I don't hear anything in my comms. Make sure it's still on. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm going to be gone from my channel for quite some time because I want to have a bike to ride until I get my new bike. Hey, and on top of that, I won't be making any TikTok content. I mean, I'll try to use use other people's sounds instead of making my own content, like using my own sounds, stuff like that. But other than that, I won't be making like me actual riding. I started recording, like, I think middle of the interstate, so I have some just regular ride videos, so I can put that over a caption or something like that. But yeah, the content is going to be very slim since this is going to be my last video with my baby. Man, this is a bittersweet moment, you know. I'm on to better things, but at the same time, this bike, man, me and this bike haven't even been through that much, but like, cause like this bike has never let me down. But that BMW, that BMW has sent me through hell and back. But I still love it though. I'm still getting rid of it, but yeah. It's gonna be all right. Pulling up. We're almost there. I gotta speed up a little bit so I can resume. We here, and I don't know where he wants me to park, but and apparently I beat him here, so we're gonna have to wait. Alright guys, I noticed I didn't finish the video off. Basically I handed the bike over to my buddy after he pulled up, maybe like 15 minutes after I did, and
Didn't realize it until after I got home. You know, I started editing the video. I was like, dang, I didn't sign out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. He already laid the bike down. I'm gonna have to make another video on that to explain what happened. It was the day after I guess he got a little too cocky, but I told him, hey, just ride around the neighborhood for a little bit, and whenever I have an off day, I'll come monitor you, make sure you're doing alright, and once you feel comfortable right around the neighborhood for maybe like a week or two, you can get on the road. Well, he obviously didn't listen to me, so, but he's doing fine, he's alright. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, follow me on TikTok. This is my TikTok. It's BushV2. It's not really doing a whole lot because I think I'm shadow banned for some reason, because I did post this video and got taken down pretty quick. But you know, TikTok be hating. They still hating on my other TikTok, but hey, what can I do? I'll catch you guys on the next one.